next activity in Digital Passport is Search Shark. Our objectives for this lesson: we will use Digital Passport Search Shark to learn how keywords can help find information online. I will evaluate keywords for their relevance and helpfulness and practice identifying the most effective keywords for different scenarios. Our important vocab word is keyword, a word you use to search for information about a topic. Here is Solomon's story, online searching.
Baseball is one of my favorite sports. My favorite team is the San Francisco Giants. I also like to play with my friends on the weekends. My favorite position is playing third base, but lately I've been more interested in pitching. My dad recommended I do some research online about pitchers. I wanted to find out which pitcher had the record for the most no-hitters. That's when a pitcher allows no hits during their entire baseball game. I typed in the word pitcher, and I got a ton of stuff. The first few links were ads for glass pitchers. There sure are a lot of stores that sell them. Who knew? But that wasn't what I was looking for. I clicked on another link. It had lots of information, but I didn't find anything on no-hitters. So I decided to try a different search. I typed in the main words: pitcher, record, no-hitter. I saw a couple fan sites. One guy said a no-hitter was when you don't feel like playing baseball, so you decide not to hit. Another boy said he had the record for the most no-hitters, but it turned out he was in Little League. I also saw a Wikipedia page and clicked on it. It said that Nolan Ryan holds the record for the most no-hitters. I wanted to make sure it was correct, though, so I went back to the search page and saw links to Major League Baseball and to the National Baseball Hall of Fame. I clicked on both of those because they seemed like sites I could trust. It turns out Nolan Ryan does have the record. What I am beginning to realize is that there is a lot of amazing information online. Some of it is good, some not so helpful. Now I know that the best way to search online is to use the right words and to visit sites that I can trust. Otherwise, I might be reading about a glass pitcher pouring water for a bunch of no-hitters.
The, and, by, book, wizard, Hogwarts, scar. By now you've probably figured out these are search terms if I was looking for Harry Potter information. When searching online for information, certain words are better than other types to put into a search engine. For example, and the. An example here beyond Harry Potter would be Winnie the Pooh. If I put Winnie the Pooh, I get the same results as just putting Winnie Pooh. Words like and the are in so many different terms and used so many different ways. They're not the keywords that are going to get us the information. We need the main idea words. Now it's time to go play Search Shark. Remember, you want to resume your game with your JCPS username that we have been using, and you want to raise your hand when you're finished so I can record your score.